In project management, change refers to any modification or adjustment to the project's baseline, which includes scope, schedule, budget, resources, and deliverables initially defined in the project plan. Changes can arise from various sources, and managing them effectively is vital to ensure the project meets its objectives without undue disruption. Key characteristics of change in project management: unforeseen or planned. 1. Some changes are anticipated and planned for, while others occur unexpectedly due to internal or external factors. 2. Example: an unplanned regulatory update may require project adjustments. Impact on project goals. 1. Changes can positively or negatively influence project cost, schedule, quality, or risk. 2. Example: adding a new feature may enhance project value but extend delivery time. Need for management. 1. Every change must be managed to minimize disruptions, maintain integrity, and ensure project success. Controlled versus uncontrolled. 1. Controlled changes go through a formal process, while uncontrolled changes can derail progress. 2. Example: an undocumented scope addition, scope creep, can lead to uncontrolled change. Types of change in project management: scope changes. 1. Modifications to deliverables, features, or project functionality. 2. Example: expanding project scope to include additional software modules. Schedule changes. 1. Variations in task sequence, delays, or early completions. 2. Example: a delay in material delivery pushes deadlines. Budget changes. 1. Alterations in funding needs. 2. Example: unanticipated vendor costs increase the project budget. Resource changes. 1. Adjustments in personnel, tools, or equipment. 2. Example: adding a specialist to address technical complexities. Technical changes. 1. Updates in technology, software, or hardware. 2. Example: implementing a newer version of a tool mid-project. External changes. 1. Influences like market conditions, regulations, or natural disasters. 2. Example: a new compliance law necessitates changes to deliverables. Requirements changes. 1. Revisions in specifications or deliverable criteria. 2. Example: a client requests higher performance standards. Stakeholder expectations changes. 1. Adjustments to stakeholder priorities or preferences. 2. Example: a new stakeholder demands additional reporting features. Risk profile changes. 1. Alterations to identified risks or their mitigation strategies. 2. Example: a supplier issue increases supply chain risk. Project objectives changes. 1. Modifications to the overall project goals. 2. Example: shifting strategic alignment leads to a pivot in project focus. Managing change in project management. Effective change management involves identification, recognizing the need for a change, whether it stems from internal reviews or external demands. Impact analysis, assessing how the change affects scope, budget, schedule, quality, and risks. Documentation, clearly recording the details of the change request, including rationale and expected outcomes. Approval process, engaging stakeholders and decision makers to evaluate and approve changes. Implementation, adjusting project plans, communicating changes to the team, and ensuring alignment with objectives. Monitoring and review, continuously tracking the impact of implemented changes to ensure they deliver the intended benefits. Examples of change in project management: scope change. Client requests the addition of a new feature to a software development project. Schedule change. A supplier delay causes a milestone to shift by 2 weeks. Budget change. An unexpected increase in raw material costs requires additional funding. External change. New government regulations mandate adjustments to the project's deliverables. Effectively managing change ensures a project remains adaptable without compromising its success. By maintaining control through formal processes, clear communication, and thorough documentation, project teams can navigate challenges and seize opportunities arising from change.